Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another paper crafting video. Today I have a really fun layered paper craft for you. This is my best dad ever layered paper craft. How fun is that? With that really cool, really intricate motorcycle there, you have the best dad ever right there. You also have the #1 sign on the other side. Just a really fun design for dad. This project comes together very easily, although there are some intricate cuts, so you do need to be aware of that going forward. I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into those materials. For today's project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive. You could also use foam squares if you want to add some dimension between the layers, and then your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account with me already, you can click the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. Go ahead and take a look at all the different options and select which one is right for you. I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll go ahead and enter my credentials. And now I've logged into my account. To access the file libraries, you can use the main navigation bar here at the top. Now this file is free and available to all membership tiers. Those with free memberships will be able to find the file in the free files page. Basic and premium members will be able to find the file in the file library. No matter where you download the file from, make sure to download the cut file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that the project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the cutting dimensions of the 12x12 cutting mat, so it's a little bit less than 11.5 inches. If you're wanting to put this project on a card or possibly in a shadow box, you can change the sizing here in the sizing options. Just make sure that the proportions stay locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make, and you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the white piece, the lighter gray, the darker gray, the peach or cream color, orange, and then black. You can also add foam squares to this if you wish, however I'm just going to glue everything together. One thing that I will mention before I start, these do have some pretty intricate cuts. Some of the detailing work on the motorcycle itself is pretty small and pretty intricate. So just go ahead and make sure that you take your time to weed everything out. Be very careful when you are removing things from your mat. You definitely want to take precautions as you would with some intricate cuts, because the detailing is very important and definitely makes the design really pop. So just make sure that you take those precautions. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our best dad ever layered paper craft. What did you think of this paper craft? Wasn't it fun to put together? I think that anybody who loves motorcycles would definitely love to receive this, whether it be on a card or as some sort of decoration for their home. I really think that they would really enjoy it. I hope that you make it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would all love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next paper crafting video. Bye-bye.